G'day guys, my name's Nick, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on your Isuzu D-Max. So what we want to do is come down to these buttons on the steering wheel. We want to scroll through by pressing the right hand button here until we get to the settings menu. So that's right at the end there. And then to select, we're just going to press this button here. And now you can see maintenance settings. So we're going to press the across button to go down, and again the select button. Then you can see all of our service data here in this screen. So we can use the buttons here on the steering wheel again to select, and we can also reset them. So we can confirm it there, and then we can go back up and reset the other ones that are due. So our tyre one has been reset, so we can reset that as well. So we'll just reset that to, we'll increase that to 15,000 Ks. So we'll just use the buttons there. And we'll go back up and we'll just increase our air filter back to 45,000 because we replaced that today. And we'll go back up and you can see there that they've all been reset. So 15,000, 45,000 and 15. And now all of our service warning messages have been reset. So we can go down and end there, and we can hit end again and go back to the main menu by pressing the buttons on the steering wheel. There you go guys. So if this video helped you reset your service message on your Isuzu D-Max, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers guys.